If you want to go ahead and embed out some contents inside of Notion, then all you need to do right here is press / right here on your keyboard and type in embed right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that I can embed PDFs, Google Maps, and more files right here. And you can see that it says give the embed link. So it says works with PDFs, Google Drive, or Google Maps, or CodePen right here, just like this. So over here, you can see that I have a page of Google Maps right here. So let me just go ahead and copy out the URL and paste it out right here and click on embed link. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that this is what you have. So we can see that the file has been embedded. So similarly, you bring in some other links as you like and it'll be embedded. You can go ahead and resize it and you can see that it is quite interactive right here. And that is simply how you can go ahead and embed out contents as you like inside of Notion pages as well. And then it is interactive of whatever you actually import. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.